What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best stand mixers in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Introducing the KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer, the top compact stand mixer available in 2023. With a 3.5-liter capacity, this mixer is perfect for smaller baking, and its compact size saves space on your countertop. It's a scaled-down version of the popular flagship KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer, weighing 18 pounds less and having 3.5 liters less in capacity. Despite its smaller size, KitchenAid claims that the Artisan Mini still has the power of its bigger sister. Featuring a tilt head, you can add ingredients and take breaks from mixing effortlessly. The speed control is easy to use. With 10 available settings you can switch between. The box includes 3 attachments: a whisk, a wire whisk, and a dough hook. The straight-edge scraper design ensures that the sides and bottom of the mixing bowl are protected. Tests reveal that even at medium speed, the mixer remains powerful, and ingredients combine perfectly in just a few minutes. The dough hook is ideal for baking bread, providing a C-shaped claw that mimics the process of manual kneading without requiring effort. The wire whisk is also efficient, as it speeds up the process of whisking cream and egg whites. Cleaning is a breeze, as the mixer's compact size makes washing and storing easier. The bowl is dishwasher safe, along with the dough hook and whisk head. The wire whip should be hand washed for maximum endurance. The stainless steel exterior can be wiped down easily to keep the Artisan Mini sparkling clean. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Artisan Mini stand mixer is a valuable investment for smaller kitchens. Despite its smaller size, it is a powerful and efficient mixer that can handle all your baking needs. Thumbs up. Hamilton Beach is up next as the best affordable stand mixer in 2023 due to its excellent performance and low price point. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed stand mixer is a good general-purpose electric mixer that's capable of handling most kitchen tasks. While its 3.5-liter container may not be ideal for those who plan to bake larger batches frequently, it is perfect for those who want a smaller mixer that can easily fit on the countertop. One of the standout features of this mixer is its 6-speed controls and its overlap setting. This feature allows users to gently add delicate ingredients such as whipped cream without creating a mess. Additionally, the 3.5-liter stainless steel container is smaller compared to others on the market, but it works well, and the attachments and bowl are dishwasher safe. The Hamilton Beach mixer comes with standard attachments, including a mixer, whisk, and dough hook, making it a versatile option for baking enthusiasts. Its lightweight and compact size make it easy to move around the kitchen, and the 4 feet with suction cups provide stability while in use. In terms of performance, this mixer can handle easy tasks like whipping cream, making butter, and creating fluffy frosting. The folding option is also handy for delicate ingredients and initially mixing ingredients that might fly out of the bowl at higher speeds. The mixer has a guide on the side that reminds users which attachment to use for different types of dough and which speed to use it on. This stand mixer comes with a wire whisk, a plastic paddle, and a chromed aluminum dough hook. While it may not have additional attachments like the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer, it's a high-performing mixer at an affordable price point, making it an excellent option for those who want to upgrade from a hand mixer. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed stand mixer is a reliable, compact, and versatile mixer that offers performance and affordability. If you're looking for a stand mixer that can handle most kitchen tasks without breaking the bank, this mixer is a perfect choice. It's perfect for those who make smaller batches and not looking for a big budget. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Introducing the Cuisinart SM50, widely regarded as the best all-around stand mixer in 2023. This mid-priced unit boasts a powerful 500-watt motor and a 5.5-liter stainless steel mixing bowl. The SM50 is more expensive than entry-level models, but more affordable than high-end variations, making it an ideal option for the average user. Efficient in blending, the Cuisinart SM50 can tackle even the thickest and toughest dough without showing any signs of struggle. The mixer is just as powerful as many more expensive blenders on the market. Although the connections don't cover the entire surface of the bowl, the mixer remains steady and quiet during operation. Built with cast metal, this mixer is solid and heavy-duty. You can rest easy knowing that it'll last you for years to come. The SM50 comes with a whisk, a dough hook, and a flat mixing paddle that are dishwasher safe. This makes cleaning up after a baking session easy and hassle-free. The mixer boasts a tilt-head design and a splash guard or the spout, while its 12 speeds deliver power and precision to handle various prep tasks. The SM50's tilt-back head makes it easy for you to access its 5.5-liter mixing bowl, while the included splash guard prevents messy worktops. The mixing bowl and all accessories are dishwasher safe, and the stand mixer is available in 6 colors: ruby red, white linen, onyx, blue-green, egg red, and silver. Additional accessories available for purchase include a pasta roller and cutter, pasta extruder, meat grinder, frozen dessert maker, and spiralizer. With the Cuisinart SM50, you can enjoy high-performance mixing capabilities without the exorbitant price tag often associated with KitchenAid Artisan stand mixers. Lastly, the 5.5-liter stainless steel bowl is durable and strong enough to withstand the occasional drop. Overall, the Cuisinart SM50 is a great option for those who want a high-performance mixer that won't break the bank. Its large mixing bowl size, powerful motor, and versatility make it perfect for various baking and mixing tasks. The mixer is perfect for home cooks and professional bakers alike who don't want to compromise on quality. Thumbs up! Our next focus in this review is the Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer, which we believe is the best professional stand mixer of the year 2023. This mixer is widely acknowledged for its unflinching durability, sleek stainless steel design, and professional-grade performance that undoubtedly sets the standard for home kitchens. The Wolf Gourmet Stand Mixer is a workhorse that sports a 7-liter mixing bowl and a set of 3 mixing attachments, including a whisk, a spatula, and a dough hook. It is the perfect replacement for the old-fashioned hand mixer or electric mixer and a must-have tool for bakers. The mixer boasts some nifty design features, making it exceptionally easy to install and operate. For instance, the bowl is positioned at the bottom of the mixer, which differs from other stand mixers that use arms to hold the bowl in place. This simple rotating lift mechanism tears down barriers when it comes to setting it up for use, adding ingredients, or changing toppings. Even though the mixing attachments are relatively large to fit the spacious 7-liter bowl, they all neatly fit into a storage container. Additionally, the mixer boasts of a clear plastic splash guard that comes in handy when whipping cream or mixing loose dough that tends to splatter. The guard has a generously sized spout for easy ingredient addition during mixing. This machine is not small. It measures 11 by 18 by 18 inches, which can consume lots of space in a small kitchen and can be cumbersome to store. It also weighs over 29 pounds, making it an unfit candidate for the high shelf in your closet. Despite being made of stainless steel, the mixing bowl is surprisingly lightweight. The mixer packs a powerful punch with its 500-watt motor, capable of preparing even the thickest or hardest dough in no time. The mixer's 10-speed knob offers infinite speeds, allowing for optimal control of the power output. We love that the mixing attachments are long enough to reach almost the bowl's bottom, ensuring an even mix throughout the bowl. The mixing bowl and accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The machine can be wiped with a damp cloth or polished with a stainless steel polish for extra shine. Due to its size, this mixer is better suited to bakeries and kitchens with limited floor space. However, the Wolf High Performance Stand Mixer is a durable and extremely powerful machine that can serve for years, if not generations, and is hence a sound investment for any baker. Introducing the much-awaited victor of the gold medal and the title of the finest overall stand mixer presently available in the market in 2023, the KitchenAid 5-quart Artisan Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. KitchenAid mixers are excellent machines, and it's truly difficult to go wrong with any of them. The brand's iconic models boast superior construction and timeless designs that are ideal for a permanent spot on your kitchen counter. Among them, the KitchenAid 5-quart Artisan Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is the best overall performer. This modern and versatile mixer passes all recipe tests with power and precision, proving that this robust model rightly deserves its status. The Artisan, with its 5-liter capacity, is perfect for home kitchens and impressively satisfies all needs during testing. It ensures ingredients are blended uniformly with no lumps or bumps, yielding uniformly baked cookies with raisins, chocolate chips, walnuts, coconut, and oats. In the pizza dough test, this model kneaded the stiff dough into a smooth ball without any bouncing. Besides the standard accessories like flat beaters, wire whisks, and dough hooks, it includes an effective spill guard to prevent ingredients from splattering. From rich buttercream to stiff bread dough, the Artisan can do it all. Users are impressed with its versatility. It can handle both delicate cake batter and tough bread dough with equal finesse. The Artisan is a tilt-head machine where the mixing bowl locks into the body while the head tilts back. It's an extremely user-friendly design. Besides, the Artisan comes equipped with a useful tool, a clear plastic pouring guard that makes it easy to add ingredients while the mixer's running. Not just does this accessory keep ingredients from spilling while the machine is in operation, but its conical spout ensures easy pouring of ingredients. What makes the Artisan model exceptional for home kitchens is its compact and sleek design. It's easy to store and use. The 5-liter capacity is ample enough for a wide range of baking projects, from delicate cakes to thick, dense bread. Moreover, while other models come in just a handful of colors, the Artisan is available in 27 delightful shades, including lavender cream and the classic Empire Red. Furthermore, if you want to increase the Artisan's capabilities, it's compatible with KitchenAid's broad selection of accessories that connect to the universal power hub on the head of its mixers, such as pasta makers and meat grinders. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best stand mixers in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.